Hi, this is Ben here just to go through the procedure of adding numbers onto your Selfcare account. So once you've logged in, you should be on your summary screen. If you click on numbers and go to your account or the inbound account that you want to assign the numbers to, you'll see there are two options here, allocate and deallocate. And this is obviously how you allocate numbers to your account. So we'll click allocate and you get a pop-up window here. Now you can see there are a number of drop-down boxes to choose from, different options available. So we'll go through each one. This obviously allows you to show how many numbers will appear in the available list down here. This is basically as the top highest level filter available. So basically it shows you memorable, standard, and obviously different and memorable bands that we have available. For this example, we'll go for standard numbers. Now we then go down to number type. You have the different area codes. So we'll say, for example, we want to associate a UK area code. And now we have another section here, which is region, and you also have the area. Now you can choose either by area code, or if you know the area you're interested in, you can choose by that. So let's just say we want Fairham. Choose Fairham and you see the appropriate code and fix up. And you'll see that we already have 20 numbers that have appeared in there. Now if you want to select more numbers to be able to see, just change the number you want to see in here. So we'll change that to 100, click on find, and you now see that we have more numbers available to pick. So you find the numbers you want to assign to your account. So we'll take this number here, and once you can obviously do bulk selection, so you can do it like that if you want to. And then you click the little arrow and it moves over to the selected box. Now the final section is to do this bit down here, the translation. Now obviously if you've got existing numbers, you can copy the translation from those numbers onto this new number. And to do that, obviously you would use the drop down list and the number would show up there. If you, in my case, let's say we've only got no numbers on there, we have no translations to copy from, we'll just click allocate. And now you'll see that that number is now shown up on the account and it is now ready to configure. So let's just say, for example, just to go through the example that we had before, so we'll set that to go to my PBX trunk. If we now allocate another number, unfortunately you have to do this again, so we'll just do this now. So we want geographic, Fairham. Selects the next number. Now if you now do this, you can now see that number now shows up on there. And if I click on that, it will copy the translation from that number to this new number. So if I now click allocate, and we click on this one, you'll now see that the translation is the same. And that's basically it. And so we'll also go through the deallocation procedure. It's basically the reverse of the R. So if you want to remove numbers from your account, you're obviously more than welcome to do this yourself. Click on deallocate. It will show you the numbers that you have available on that account. You move the number across that you want to get rid of and click deallocate, and it's gone. And that's literally it. If you have any questions or problems with this procedure, then by all means get in contact with us and we'll do our best to assist you further.